Master MS Word. Unbelievable manuscript formatting hacks. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on mastering Microsoft Word for creating and formatting manuscripts. In this video, we will dive deep into some incredible hacks and techniques that will revolutionize the way you handle manuscript formatting. Whether you are a writer, student, or professional, these tips and tricks will help you save time and effort while achieving a professional and polished appearance for your documents. Get ready to become a manuscript formatting expert and unleash the full potential of MS Word. Welcome to Master MS Word. Unbelievable manuscript formatting hacks. In this video, we bring you the ultimate guide to harnessing the power of Microsoft Word to effortlessly format your manuscripts. Whether you're writing a novel, academic paper, or any document requiring professional formatting, these mind-blowing hacks will make your work stand out. Let's dive right in. Congratulations! You've now mastered the unbelievable manuscript formatting hacks in MS Word. Say goodbye to endless hours spent on formatting and hello to professional-looking manuscripts in no time. Make sure to apply these techniques to all your future projects and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible videos. Stay tuned and keep exploring the limitless possibilities of MS Word. Until next time. Throughout this video, we will demonstrate various MS Word features and shortcuts that will significantly streamline your manuscript formatting process. So, let's get started and unleash the hidden potential of Microsoft Word to transform your manuscripts into visually appealing and organized documents. First, we'll cover the basics of setting up your manuscript structure. Learn how to format document sections, set page orientations, and adjust margins. We'll also show you how to apply consistent headers, footers, and page numbers, effortlessly creating a professional-looking manuscript. Next, we'll delve into the world of formatting styles. Discover how to create custom styles and templates for different elements such as headings, paragraphs, font types, and sizes, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing layout throughout your manuscript. Did you know that MS Word offers incredibly powerful tools for handling references, citations, and bibliographies? We'll unveil some game-changing features that will make managing your research sources a breeze. From inserting citations to generating a bibliography automatically, you'll save valuable time and stay organized. Ever struggled with tables, figures, and captions in your manuscript? Say goodbye to frustration as we reveal genius techniques to create, format, and align tables and figures flawlessly. We'll also demonstrate how to add professional-looking captions with numbering and formatting options. One of the most remarkable hacks we'll explore is the automation of table of contents and updates. Learn how to effortlessly generate and update table of contents, figures, and tables, eliminating the need for manual updates as your manuscript evolves. Lastly, we'll spice up your manuscript with advanced formatting tricks such as drop caps, section breaks, page breaks, and line numbering. These stylish elements will add sophistication and visual elegance to your document, captivating your readers. By the end of this comprehensive tutorial, you'll be equipped with a unique set of manuscript formatting hacks, unlocking MS Word's immense potential. So, let's begin this exciting journey to become a master in formatting manuscripts with Microsoft Word. Remember to follow us for more tips on MS Word, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues in need of manuscript formatting mastery.